Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an all drugstore face tutorial, and if you'd like to see what I used and how I got this look and the products that I love from the drugstore, then just keep watching. Okay, so I already have my skincare on and I don't have a drugstore primer, so I just use my regular primer, and I apologize. I should invest in a drugstore primer, but I'm really excited to show you how this Maybelline Superstay, the Superstay full coverage camouflage, it says camouflage complete. So like I said, I am in the color 220, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dot it all over my face. And I feel like you use less product this way. So, and then another new drugstore product is I'm gonna use this. It is super huge. It is the Real Techniques Miracle Face and Body Sponge. So it's already wet, and so, all right. It is super big, but actually feels pretty good. Okay, I feel like I'm getting too much light. Hold on. I feel like the lighting is better. So I absolutely love this foundation, especially I'm a person that I perspire quite easily, and I also have a shiny T-zone, so I really enjoy it for that reason, and it just makes my skin look flawless. So I absolutely love it. Okay, I'm not gonna put my under eye concealer on yet, because the eyeshadows that I'm going to put on has some fallout. So I am going to be using the Flower Beauty Wanderlust palettes, and yeah, so let's get started. So I'm going to use this one right here. This is the Wanderlust LA Hollywood Hills palette, and I'm going to be using this color here, right there. And they don't have names on them, so as you can see, there's a lot of fallout, but it's super pretty. Yeah, and I use this color a lot, and I just hit pan. So we're just going to use that in the crease, and actually above the crease for me, just because I don't have a lot of lid space and my eyes are downturned. So yeah, so just put that like right above the crease, and we're just gonna use that as a transition shade. And just do the same to the other eye. And this, it doesn't matter. You can kind of be sloppy with this because you're gonna be blending other colors, and yeah. Just kind of get it in there. You don't have to be super precise. You can be kind of sloppy because it is a transition color, so you don't have to be perfect. All right, so we're gonna put that palette down, and then I'm gonna pick up the Austin, which is my favorite palette, and then we're going to pick up this middle shade right there, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid. And these are pretty pigmented, so it's not going to take you long to get that color on there. And we're not going for a super bright yellow, So, well, I'm not today because we're just going to the grocery store and I don't want to look like I'm made up to go out on the town, you know? All right, so then we're going to pick up this shade right there, and I think I want like a loose brush because I don't want a ton of pigment. So I'm gonna use this one. This is an It Cosmetics brush. And then we're gonna stick that right here on the side and into the crease. And so it's gonna be kind of a light daytime sunsetty eye. Okay, just do the same to the other side. To clean up a little bit because I'm getting a lot of fallout. And we're gonna use our blender, blend some of that out. Normally I would smudge it underneath my lash line, but I'm not doing that today. So our eyes are done. I told you it was a quick look. And so, oh, let's do our under eye concealer. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in 20. And I was able to get a new one. Woo! Cannot run out of that. So I'm gonna blend it in with this big blender sponge. I love blending in my concealer with a sponge. Usually I use the Beauty Blender, but yeah, the sponges work awesome. All right, and then let's do our eyebrows. Where is, here it is. All right, you guys know the drill NYX, the NYX eyebrow pencil, and I'm just gonna lightly just kind of fill them in here because we're not doing anything super dramatic. And please don't zone in on my eyebrows because they desperately need to be waxed. So yeah, that's how I do that. All right, 2 eyebrows done. What is next? You know what? I'm gonna continue to use the eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna put it underneath my lash line just to give me a little bit of depth and color. Something kind of light, it's not super dark. And that's what I love about this pencil is you can use it as an eye pencil and your eyebrow. All right, let's curl these eyelashes. So we're gonna get these eyelashes ready for mascara. And since this is a drugstore tutorial, we are going to be using Flower Beauty Lash Warrior Mascara. All right, Let's do this. I love this drugstore mascara. I honestly can't believe how much I love it. Just like the foundation, I think these are my two favorite products. Doesn't that look good? Yeesh. Bottom lashes, I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Clump Crusher just because it's a lighter mascara and I have thicker eyelashes and I don't like them to get like too dark, because then I look like I'm going to the Golden Globes or something. See, this already brings out my bottom lashes, so the other one will just be ba-bam. All right, so let's do a blush. And so I'm gonna use this one. I got this in like one of my subscription boxes, and it's called Peachy Sheen. It's so pretty. I never thought that I would like a blush which like this that was like sheeny. Ooh, that's a lot of blush. Calm down, Jennifer. But it's super pretty. And I like it. I like it a lot. All right. So we did that. Let's blend some of this blush off because I was going ham. And then we're gonna use the Flower Beauty, it's their Chubby Stick in Glisten Up. So we're gonna do this. I probably should have put it on before the blush, but that's okay. And then we're gonna blend this out with the finger. And put some on my Cupid's bow. You know what? All right. So I'm not gonna put on any, well, we can. I'm gonna put on some bronzer. Let's put on some bronzer. Put it on the hairline. Oh, we're using the Physicians Formula butter bronzer in the color Bronzer. Let's do that. Do that. Down the neck. All right. Now we're gonna set everything with my Rimmel Stay Matte. This is my go-to powder, all over face powder. And I want to focus on the middle of my face because that is where I get shiny. Okay, we're gonna do the lip, and I'm gonna use another Maybelline product, and it's called Brown Blush, and it's a lipstick in 575. Oh my gosh. It just flew out and landed on a box. Okay. So scratch that. Oh my gosh, it's such a pretty color. Damn it. Okay. Oh, you guys are gonna kill me. Okay, so we'll do a liquid lipstick. Damn it. Okay. You guys, are you guys gonna kill me? Okay, we'll do I think this one's really pretty. We won't do nude. I know I always do nude. We'll do number 15. It's the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in 15. So we'll just get this on. I'm so sorry.
Just got on my teeth. Oh, this is comedy. You can't make this stuff up. You cannot make this stuff up.
All right, you guys, so I have this liquid lipstick on and I think it's off my teeth. So anyways, that is the drugstore tutorial. I hope that you liked it. I really love, let me tell you what my favorites are. And of course it is this, which is the foundation. I mean, look at how amazing it looks. I love the foundation. I love my Lash Warrior. I love the Fit Me concealer. Those just, in my opinion, are superheroes from the drugstore. I don't know, not sure I totally loved this, but it works. I like it for my under eye, so that's good. But anyways, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have something in mind that you'd like me to film, and otherwise I will see you. I will list everything in the description box in case you want to check out these products. Otherwise, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.